Testing, testing. Can you guys hear me? Hello, hello, hello? Yeah, 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 yeah. Kachoya, kachoya, kachoya. Is it not loud enough? Turn it up a little bit more. Here, how about that? We're good to go. Yeah, 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 yeah. Coinwise is in the chat, no way. Shout out to Coinwise. Use Wise Pro for your promo code 14-day trial at checkout. Kachoya. Shout out to Coinwise. Okay, I think we're good to go. Let's see. All right. Can you guys hear me? Are we good? We're good on YouTube. We're good on Twitch. We're good on YouTube. We're good on Twitch. All right, cool. Shout out Bebo. What up, Ninja? Up here, man. Okay, cool. Back. Sorry about that, ladies and gents. You know what? Let's just get into it. Screw it. Today has been a weird day, but that's okay. That won't stop us. Ladies and gents, who's ready to play? Who wants to be a Kimbillionaire? But before we play Who Wants to Be a Kimbillionaire, I need everybody to sign up on the dashboard if you're not. Explanation point dashboard. Put your UIDs in your profile section. Today we're giving away $1,000. We're gonna do 10 winners. All right, for $100. All right, if we get to the last question, complete it. You think we can get all the way to the end of the end milestone? We have 14 gifted subs on the line and $1,000 giveaway for 10 lucky lines. The way to actually be eligible for this is to participate in the game show. Yes. So, the way to actually participate today is quite easy. Just to run it down for you, we have a how to play on the screen. You have 15 questions on the board, and you're going to answer each question as they increase in difficulty. You're going to use lifelines when you need to get an answer wrong. You can type A, B, C, or D in the chat to vote for your question, and you have 60 seconds to cast a vote. So you can watch, be prepared, pay attention for when those timers occur. Point system. Yes, we have a point system. There's a leaderboard to tell you when, people are in the lead. For example, we'll show you right now. There is a leaderboard on the right. Yes, there is an all-time leaderboard. And yes, there is somebody on top of that all-time leaderboard. I won't say their name because you might have to know it later on in the game. Ladies and gents, you get 1 point just for chatting, you get 5 points for voting correctly, and you get speed bonuses. So the first person to answer the vote correctly gets 10 points, second gets 5, third gets 3. Your hot seat, which technically is not enabled at the moment, would give you 5 points when you're selected, 20 points if you get it correct and you're selected, and then 10 extra points if you're quick to select. Hot seats are quite cool. They give you extra bonus points. And for the people that really are paying attention and want the prize, they're going to go for those. The top players on the leaderboard will win these prizes. You have 10 places. The top 10 people will win $100 today. You have 3 lifelines, 50-50. Take another vote and ask a mod. You can use 1, 2, 3 or in the chat when you get an answer wrong to vote for one of these lifelines. Prize collection. You can collect a prize every single answer you get right. You'll have chances today for 14 gifted subs and $1,000 giveaway at the end. Ladies and gents, are you ready to get into a game show? Before we get into a game show, can we Latuche up and hit the balcony? Because I'm going to have to do that. Today has been one of those days, ladies and gents. Let's go hit the balcony. While we do that, let's get to space. Let's go to space. Together, let's go to space. Let's go, ladies and gents. Cheers! Oh, you guys, what? Are you hearing this right now? You're not hearing this right now. Why am I not hearing it right now? One of those? Holy moly. Nice. One of those. Oh my god, I hate that so much. Alright, ladies and gents. What a day to be doing all this crap. Oh. You can't even hear it. It's playing. There it is. Okay. Ladies and gents, to the bout. Big cheers. Cheers.
Let's lock in.
Welcome to Who Wants to Be a
We don't give no fucks, we in that mode. Whipping a Bugatti locking before we home. We the Kimbillionaires, hyenas, never pay nobody. Rolling with the energy, little hyenas, ain't racing nobody. Yeah, we don't give no fucks, we in that mode. Whipping a Bugatti locking before we home. We the Kimbillionaires, hyenas, never pay nobody. Rolling with the energy, little hyenas, ain't racing nobody. Who got math like this? PSG lions lock and get nasty. How you take your trades each day? You know we math and Fibonacci. We don't play no games with Mario's, no Nintendo, no Atari. Don't be late to the show. Never drop no oops. I'm sorry. I don't care if they ain't happy with us. Little hyenas, go sip some coffee. KIMBA gang on the net, iCarly. Let us up on the set by Marley. Y'all cubs can't be tone deaf. Tell me how I sound somebody. This new drop hit like the Hardys. Ladies love our swag like we on a Harley. We in that mode, never switching up on the click. Turn haters to cartoon. Teach a man at an Eddie, little bitch. These charts stand so much. We should call him Charlie. Make a bias so damn strong. Got the team sipping biscotti. Might flip right out and get gnarly. The team tryna party. KIMBA gang, KIMBA gang, KIMBA gang.
We're gonna go to the moon. And then we're gonna fly through that bitch. Honestly, we need to go to Mars.
We don't get no fucks, we in that mode. Whipping a Bugatti, locking before we home. We the Kimbillionaires, hyenas, never pay nobody. Rolling with the energy, little hyenas, ain't raising nobody. We don't get no fucks, we in that mode. Whipping a Bugatti, locking before we home. We the Kimbillionaires, hyenas, never pay nobody. Rolling with the energy, KIMBA gang, ain't raising nobody.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the game show. We'll start today's game show off with our first question, ladies and gents. We're going to be sponsored by Coinwise today. Explanation point Coinwise in the chat. You got 14-day free trial. You use Wise Pro at checkout. All right, ladies and gents, you're going to need the information necessary to get these questions right today. Let's start it. Ladies and gents, for your first question of today's Who Wants to Be a Kimbillionaire game show. What problem does the Coinwise TPO PVP indicator primarily solve compared to traditional price charts? And the answers on the board are A, it predicts earning releases. B, it adds options to flow data. C, it reveals where the market has established value using time and volume perspectives. Or D, it eliminates the need for candlesticks. Ladies and gents, get your votes in chat. You can vote A, B, C, or D just by typing any of them in chat. Ladies and gents, as you can see on the board, we do have all of our favorite exchanges and all of our favorite tools listed. If you do see one that you are interested in, make sure to check out the explanation point dashboard. If you haven't signed up yet, please make sure to do. Guys, remember, 10 people are going to win $100 today. You gotta have a UID in your section profile. Audience vote, 73 people said C. It's gotta be, it reveals the market has established value using time and volume perspective. Ladies and gents, is this the right answer? It is the right answer. Yes, congrats, you won yourself one gifted sub today. Let's move along. Go Tricks, go Burbs. I see you. Curvies. Better keep it up over there, man. You want to see something kind of cool? Check this out. Check this out, ladies and gents. We got a leaderboard. Curvies sitting at 384 points right now on the all-time leaderboard, ladies and gents. If we go and show you current game right now, Curvies is running it. He said, "Give me the money. I want that money." All right, next question, ladies and gents. In periodic volume profiles, PVP, the value area, the VA, typically represents what? A, the range with the lowest volume. B, the price range covering 70% of traded volume for the period. C, only the session open and close. Or D, the highest and lowest prices of the week. Ladies and gentlemen, get your answers in. A, B, C, or D in the chat. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Get your answers in the chat. You got 20 seconds. Yeah, big shout out to KCEX. Big shout out to BLOFIN. Ladies and gents, if you ever see them, say hi to them in the chat. They are always in here. They're in the Discord. You can always say hello. If you have any problems, you can also talk to them in our Discord. Explanation point Discord. The audience choice, 80 votes, said B. In a periodic volume profile in the value area, it typically represents what? And B says, the price range covering 70% of traded volume for the period. Is this the correct answer, ladies and gentlemen? It is absolutely the correct answer. Congratulations. Good job. Excellent. Hey, who's in the lead? XLRD taking it 1 point above Curvies right now. Lee Kwok sitting just behind him. Third place. Right on, right on, right on. Next question, ladies and gentlemen. The Coinwise RTH ETH gaps indicator treats unfilled gaps primarily as. Answers, please. A. Cosmetic artifacts. B. Noise to be ignored. C. Magnets, structural reference points that can drive reversions, continuations, and reversals. D. Only relevant to crypto. Ladies and gents, type A, B, or C in the chat. If you haven't yet, you should check out Explanation Point Coinwise. You have a 14-day trial. For the first user signing up, it is not unlimited, so make sure you use it while you can. Explanation Point Coinwise. Audience, 80% or 80 votes for 96% said C. The Coinwise RTH ETH gaps indicator treats unfilled gaps primarily as magnets or structural reference points that drive reversions, continuations, or reversals. This is the correct answer. It is the correct answer, ladies and gents. Congratulations! For number 3, let's move on to the next question. Check out that leaderboard there. XLRD still in first place by 1 point. Curvies trailing right behind him. Let me juice! Says, let me juice. Oh, now tied for first. Look at that. Participation occurring as we speak. Nice, nice. Very good, very good. Showing the next question, ladies and gentlemen. You guys ready for this? You got your UID signed up at the dashboard, right? You better. You better not be on that list without a UID in the dashboard. Let's go. Next question. The levels indicator can plot all of the following except, I think this means the Coinwise levels indicator. What are these answers, ladies and gentlemen? POC and TPOC for A. B. Anchored VWAP across multiple higher time frames. C. CME settlement level. Or D. Company earnings per share. This is pretty good. This is pretty good. 7 people said A. It cannot plot POCs or TPOCs. Interesting. 7 people have not gone and signed up for the 14-day free trial for Coinwise Pro indicators right now. You have access to this information for free for 14 days right now, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Sign up. Try it out for free. Let me know how you like it. Let us know. Big cheers. 8 seconds. Audience said D. 77 people said D. Company earnings per share is not included in the Coinwise Level Pro indicator. Is this the correct answer? It is the correct answer. Congratulations. That means there's a lot of people that have signed up and gotten a 14-day free trial for Coinwise right now. Let's go. Exclamation point Coinwise. Next question. Let's go. Ladies and gents, for your 5th question. A key advanced feature of the Coinwise levels indicator is... Oh, this is a double up. We're back to back on a motherfucker. What's the answer? Let's go. A, it's automatic options pricing. B, dynamic level adjustment and confluence detection. C, sentiment data from social media. Or D, minor flow analysis. Ladies and gents, go ahead and get your answers in. Type A, B, or C in the chat. Or D. Hit them with the D. Houston, hit them with it. Giant. Hit him with the D, Buzzscreen. Or in this case, the B. You got it, my boy. How you guys doing over there? Happy? You doing good? Doing good over there? Who's voting right now? Ooh! Ooh, look at that. Let me juice! Italics. Everybody on that board getting $100 today. Audience choice, 89 people, 97% said dynamic level adjustment and confluence detection. Is this the correct answer? Because that's a pretty good answer. I like that. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is the correct answer. Alright? The advanced feature of the Coinwise Level Pro indicator is the dynamic level adjustment confluence detection. Yes, you do, and you can combine your levels so they add extra confluence based on percentage. It's pretty cool. Next question. The Coinwise Divergences indicator can detect both? Wait a minute. Oh, this is a good one. Answers coming in. It's RSI only for A, B, regular reversal and hidden continuation divergences across multiple oscillators. Ooh-wee. C, only MACD signals. Or D, only stochastic crossovers. I might have gave that one away. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, if you haven't tried it out, you gotta. Use your promo code now. Wise Pro. D said it's gotta be A. It's RSI only. Imagine we put RSI in there. Damn. Hey, we just might. We have tons of options flowing through there. Okay. Get suggestions. You guys should give them suggestions in their Discord. Jedi Skirk. You already know. 81 people. 99%. Okay? Said that the Coinwise Divergences indicator can detect both regular reversal and hidden continuation divergences across multiple oscillators. Are they correct? And is this an absolute dope indicator to have on your chart? Yes, it is. Absolutely, yes, it is. Ladies and gents, congratulations. We're moving on to question 7. Oh, you guys are crazy. You know that? Good shit. Current leaderboard looking like Curvies on top with 93 points. XLRD 78 points in second. And Let Me Juice, third place, 75 points. Cytilix, Liquak, AK, Denith, ZH, Theta, I think that's Theta. Ninja Jeffin and Buzzcree sitting right now top 10. Ladies and gents, you're sitting for $100 on the leaderboard right now. Can you keep it up? Can you keep it up? Next question on the board. For another gifted sub. And one question closer to $1,000 giveaway. Ladies and gentlemen, what is a naked POC? NPOC, in brackets, is significant because it. Oh, what? A naked POC is significant because it. That's not even a question. That's just a statement. Answers on the board. A, occurs every session and is ignored. B, is a prior session's POC not yet revisited by price, often attracting future tests. Or C, represents the highest high of the month. Or D, in the same as TVA. Okay, this is just a statement, ladies and gents. You gotta know this. How many of y'all have been here for all of the KIMBA gang nerdouts? Who's been there when KIMBA sat down for days and days of months on years explaining what naked point of controls are? And why it's significant? Volume. Give me that. Ladies and gents, saying it's gotta be B. Is a prior session's POC not yet revisited by price, often attracting future Is this what makes a naked point of control so significant? I'm gonna reveal the answer. It is, ladies and gents. Congratulations. Moving on to the next one. Twitch and Greg says, Kimbillionaire is helping people more than they know. I'm off, but I love you, Cage. Housty Buzz, keep being awesome. Can we get a shout out to Twitch and Greg? Show some love in the chat for Twitch and Greg. Big cheers, man. I hope you enjoyed yourself. Have a great night. I'm glad you like this. It is to make you smarter. Is to make you smarter and give you some rewards for being good. We appreciate you guys. Thank you for participating in the support. It does mean everything. This is for you. Appreciate you, Twitch and Greg. It makes you a wiser lion, Mandelo says. That's right. Makes you a wiser lion. Let's go, ladies and gents. Who's ready for another question? Everybody want another question? You guys enjoying yourselves? You guys want that $1,000, don't you? Top 10 right now on the board, looking pretty good. Not gonna lie, you guys are killing it. Kirby's already at 100 points. What? God damn! We're halfway through the show, man. All right, great stuff. All right, ladies and gentlemen, good stuff. Keep it up. Don't stop. Halfway through. Next question. We appreciate you all. Let's keep it up. The buy and sell, the Coinwise buy and sell volume indicator infers aggression primarily by And this is another statement. This is for the ones that know. A, counting tweets. That's a good one. B, a price location algorithm estimating volume near ask, buy, first bid, and sell. C, watching only close prices. Or D, options, KIMBA exposure. Which one could it possibly be, ladies and gentlemen? Lots of people saying it's gotta be B. Some people said it's A. It's gotta be, it's counting tweets. You know, maybe sitting there scrolling Twitter. Exclamation point, Twitter. Make sure you're following along to all the NFT updates. Shout out to the Lions of Lithuania on Magic Eden right now. You guys can find yourself a new Lion NFT just by typing exclamation point NFT in the chat. Ladies and gents, congratulations for getting this far in the game show. Thank you, thank you. Audience choice says B, 67%, 67 votes, sorry, 94% of people said B. The Coinwise buy and sell volume indicator infers aggression primarily by a price location algorithm estimating volume near ask, buy, versus bid and sell. This has to be correct. It is correct. Congratulations. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. On to question 9. I'm proud of the ones that did know that. I should have gave bonus points for that question. I'm surprised y'all didn't need a lifeline for that. I could have made the other answers harder. Showing the next question. Question 9. What is the official label of KTV Music? Wait! KIMBA TV Music. Hold on now. Everybody's got to know this. Answers on the board. A. Juice in My Levels Records. Useless Lines Records. Yeah. A, being Juice in My Levels Records. B, Useless Line Records. C, Prestige Worldwide. Or D, Lions of Lithuania Records. Come on, gents. Lions, this is a good one. You gotta know it. They're live every day on stream. You hear it every day on stream. You get it before every song. Alright, it's in the hook, the chorus, the intro. If you guys do enjoy the music, you can always check out the 24/7 YouTube. Let's go. Explanation point YouTube. YouTube. If you guys aren't subscribed to us on YouTube either, make sure you subscribe to KIMBA TV. $84 votes for B. A higher percentile, 98%, going with Useless Lines Records. I need Houston in here right now with his voice changer. Revealing the next answer. Nice. It is correct, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations. Let's go. Next question. Guys, if you really do enjoy the music, it's fun having y'all actually join the talent show. All right, if you want a chance to hear yourself on stream, you want your voice heard, you want your lyrics heard, send them to Houston, man. Explanation point talent show. He does host a very cool talent show for everybody with prize money, $250 going out. All right, and you can join us for the September 16th and 18th talent shows, ladies and gentlemen. Submit now. Next question. Where is the ultimate place to nerd out in Discord? Oh, you guys know this one. Answers on the board. A, being the meme room. B, being Profit Showcase. C, PSG. Stand the fuck up. D, a nerd out corner. Hey, can we get a PSG stand up? Yeah, PSG stand up. Let's go. PSG knows this one. Ain't no way they don't know this one. It's gotta be. This is the one. Everybody's saying it's gotta be C. If you're saying anything... Oh my god, Housty. Hit him with the D, Housty. Oh my god. You know you get points for this. This is all being tracked, Housty. 88 people. Alright, a high majority saying PSG has gotta be the place to nerd out. Absolutely correct. Alright, for all the OGs in the Discord right now, for all the OGs in chat, for all the lines, alright, that support us so much, PSG is absolutely the place to be. Go to Discord, exclamation point Discord, public stream gang, stand up, PSG stand up. Alright, say hi, turn on your mics, get comfortable with people, you know what I mean? We're always there nerding out, and we're just trying to progress together, get better one step at a time, because that's what we do, we're the best. We're lions, alright? Let's go. Big cheers. Next question. For your 11th question of the night, you're getting to your last few milestones here. Alright, you only have 4 questions in front of you until you get to that $1,000 giveaway. Let's look at that leaderboard right now. Let's see who's eligible for that $100 today. Curvis sitting at 185 points, XLRD 160, and Let Me Juice 156 points. Very close for the top 3 players. What's quite cool, though, is right behind him is Jedi Skirk. Everybody's... You see the 10 out of 10 votes? That means everybody on that board so far has got 10 out of 10. Not a single person has voted incorrectly so far this game. Very deserving of a prize, if you ask me. Shout out to those folks. Shout out to everybody on this board. Big appreciation for y'all. Stick around till the end. There's a surprise for you. Question. On the board going up right now. This one's for Housty. Housty's profile picture on Discord is, ladies and gents. Is it A, a picture of Elon Musk riding a horse? Is it B, a Lions of Laquania wearing a hoodie in a snow scene? Is it C, his high school yearbook picture? Oh my god, I'd love to see that. D, a Lions of Laquania in a pimp suit at a Lambo dealership. Absolutely fire as fuck, by the way. Hey, yo, that shit, his NFT was made for him, dude. Let's go. Get your answers in, A, B, C, or D, in the chat for what is Houston's profile picture on Discord. Hit him with a D. Hit him with the D. Wait, hold on now. Why did you vote A, motherfucker? Yo, everybody at Housty right now. Everybody at him. And just at him and say D. Hit him with the D. Everybody at Housty. Hit him with the D. Ladies and gents, selecting a Lion of Laquania in a pimp suit at a Lambo dealership. Are they correct? Are they correct about this answer that they just put on the board? They're absolutely correct. Congratulations. Yes, Houston's profile picture is his NFT. Shout out to the Lions of Laquania! Exclamation point NFT. If you guys want one yourself, go ahead. They're live on Magic Eden right now. You can purchase one by grabbing one off the floor. Next question. I like mine. Mine's cool. That's Mr. Miyagi, dude. Next question. How can I get my song played in a Laquania's Got Talent show? Question mark. Okay, this is a good one for the new ones, for the new lines, for the people that are not here. OGs, help them out. A, is it DM the lyrics to Coin Nerd? Oof. You might as well just say A, right? Just throw them off, just really get them. B, submit your entry from Discord. Is it C, submit your lyrics in the dashboard next to your UIDs? Or is it D, write your lyrics in the Twitch chat? Get your answers in A, B, C, or D in the chat, ladies and gents. You know, I see a whole lot of correct answers and not a whole lot of goddamn submissions. You know what? I'm gonna need every single one of y'all putting D and B in the chat right now. Go and put a submission in the talent show. Alright, I want to see all of the lyrics, all your verses and courses, the best you got. Bring it. In fact, I might just drop something for Laquania's Got Talent on September 16th and 18th. You never know. I might bring it home. I might be your competition. Hold on now. B coming in hot. 69 votes. That's a perfect number, by the way. God damn. 95% saying B. Submit your entry form in the Discord. This is the correct answer. Yes, it is the correct answer. Explanation point. Talent show. It will lead you to the Discord, to the official Laquania's Got Talent submission form. If you want to join, there's a $250 prize on the line. You have 2 days to prove yourself, the 16th and the 18th. All submissions are much appreciated. Let's get your songs up here, live on stream. Next question. Who was the first talent show winner? Oh, this is a good one. Holy shit, this was so long ago that I don't even know. I actually don't even know. Oh geez. Oh geez, help out. We might have to use a lifeline, so be careful. Who was the first talent show winner? Answers on the board. A, was it Biffum? B, was it Heyblade 999? Was it C, Fredward 338? Or was it D, XLRD? One person voting B right now, one person saying C, one person saying A. We have a few people not too sure of what's going on. Looks like Buzz doesn't know what's going on. Houston still doesn't know what's going on. Wait, did he? Wait, yes, he does. Wait, no, he doesn't. What are you guys voting for? You guys were there for. You're the damn host, Houston. All right, ladies and gents. Ten seconds. Yo, they're trolling. Look at him. He's trolling y'all. He's trying to get y'all. Damn. Revealing the answer. It's got to be XLRD. Chat saying 68 votes, 93%. Oh my god, what did I just do? Wait, that was the correct answer. Oh my god, the game trolled you. Yo, the game trolled. Wait, hold on. What? Wait a minute. Hold on. We gotta lock that in again. Hey, lock that in, man. Show the question, man, and then lock it in, man. Come on, that wasn't cool. XLRD. Can we get a shout out for XLRD? Oh. Did you guys break it by voting for XLRD? How did that happen? No, I broke it. I don't know how. What? Okay, well, whatever. We're on the next date. Everybody can vote again for XLRD. There we go. Next question. That was crazy. All right. 14th question. That never happened. If you're mad at me, just say so. XLRD, I could never be mad at you. Can we get a big shout out to XLRD for being the first ever Laquania's Got Talent winner? XLRD, you were the absolute winner. Fred stole it. I don't know what. Fred, did you rig the game, bro? You literally hacked my systems over here. You in here? Fred. Yo, Fred's in my systems, dude. All right. Congratulations on getting that correct answer. You were right. XLRD is the correct answer. Shout out to XLRD. Putting a banger of a submission for the first ever Laquania's Got Talent show. Shout out to Houston. Yeah, so Fred hasn't even submitted. That's what mind boggles me. Wait a minute. Hold on. All right. There was a clear inconsistent. That was wrong. All right. Mandalo. We're gonna end it here. Ladies and gents, for the last few questions. All right. 14. Question 14. Let's make sure we're good. We are good. Question on the board. Lions. Big cheers. Thank you for hanging in there. That was stressful. Who is currently top of the all-time leaderboard for the Who Wants to Be a Kimbillionaire game show? Now, if you guys were paying attention earlier, we showed it. Answers coming in. A. Calling Noob. B. Danny Polat. C. Kirby. D. Coke Zero. I actually don't know. Ladies and gents, 72 votes, 94% coming in. Voting for Kirby's. Kirby's right now. Are you on top of the all-time leaderboard? Can we check it out? Because we can. You can take a look. He has 593 points. Buzzcree at 408. And Cytilix at 392. Kirby's absolutely killing it! Can we get a shout out for Kirby's? Inky said, Cage from all the testing. Imagine. I had to actually exclude my name from this, or I would have... Yeah, you're right, actually. Housty broke it. No, I broke it. Kirby's sitting in top place right now. You're absolutely right. Revealing that answer. Okay. Before we move into the last big question of the night, which is your milestone and for $1,000, let's complete the game show. But before we do that, I'd like to say a big shout out to everybody that joined us tonight. Okay, for everybody that has joined us today, don't go anywhere, stick around right till the end. We're gonna announce the winners. I would like to just say thank you to everybody, and we'll round it up there. Okay, all right, let's do it. Next question, and for the best question of the night. Much love, guys. Much love, everybody. I appreciate everybody. Thank you. For the last question of the night, Lions. How long does the Coinwise free trial promo code last? Alright, we've been nailing it, India, and you gotta know it. And I want you all to really go try it out. Because a lot of individuals, lots of talented people behind that project, put a lot of time and effort. And I want you guys to really enjoy what they put together. You have 14 free days to go see what they were able to do. I suggest using it. It's not forever. So big cheers, everybody. Much love. Thank you for being here. This is for all the support that you show us. And we'll have more to come in the future. It's just the beginning, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Big cheers. Big cheers. Much love, ladies and gents. Big shout outs to everybody on that. Let's go. The answers are: A, is it 1 month? B, is it 1 day? C, a year? Or D, 2 weeks? You gotta get the answer right. This is easy. I said it in the explanation. You guys hear it all the time. And you're gonna get a chance to hear it more often. Hopefully, it really helps everybody. And you gotta tell us how it is. Give us your feedback. We want that. Much love. Help us shape us the tools the future. How long is the 14-day trial, Mandelo? That's the question. That is the question. I think it's 14 days. It's gotta be, right? Math is the math. I love you guys, man. Thank you for being here. This is for you guys. 90 Y motherfuckers. D in the chat. Hit them with the D for 2 weeks. Yes, it's a 14-day trial. Check it out. Exclamation point Coinwise. All right, go use your code now. WISEPRO at checkout. And that is going to round up tonight's Who Wants to Be a Kimbillionaire game show with the correct answer, because everybody is paying attention and everybody wants that. We've got 10 winners here right now. Curvies, Buzzcree, Cytilix, Happy 420, Liquar, Zeta, Vladimir's, now Wolfie, Xenon Lion, and Dennis taking home $100 today, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for playing today. Can we get some love in the chat? Can we show Houston and Buzz some love for being here? Oh, I'm up top now. It's at the bottom. At the bottom. Hey, much love, Lions. Thank you. Until next time, stick around. Exclamation point Discord. Find announcements in the Discord for the next shows. All right, you'll find nerdouts, game shows, and talent shows, and further updates in the announcements channel. Let's get it, Lions. Big cheers. If you see your name on the board, show some love. Get a Kimba heart in the chat. Shout out to Vladimir, Simba, Let Me Juice, Tomis, Tidis, Inky, I see you. Appreciate you all. Calling you XLRDT. Dude, XLR, thanks for fucking... Thanks for not making fun of me, dude. Shout out to you for starting one of the questions today, man. Dennis, you too. Appreciate you. Congrats, cheaters. Jedi Skirk, don't be salty. We're all Lions. Bulls, Bears, we're all Lions. Let's go. Exclamation point Coinwise. That's right, Lattice. I'll see you all next time, yeah? Big cheers. All right, ladies and gents, we're going to wrap it up there. Look at all those beautiful participants. If your UIDs are not in the dashboard, you won't be eligible for the $100.